Hi dealers, thank you for taking a moment to tune in to watch this video, which I hope will help you throughout this uncertain time. The reality is, our reality has changed. Most of us, if not all, are working from home and trying to come up with ideas as to how we can keep our business running while the doors are closed. My name is Haley Holland and I'm the Marketing Programs Manager here at DealerSpike. Today, I wanted to share some quick but effective tips to do more through marketing automation in way less time and keep your online business running efficiently. So a great starting point is, what is marketing automation? Many of you have probably never heard of this before. Marketing automation is the technology and software platforms that enhance the marketing of your business on multiple channels by streamlining your marketing campaigns. With marketing automation, you can send automatic messages, target the right audience, and trigger follow-up actions based on customer behavior. There are many functions of your business that can be simplified with marketing automation, saving you time and resources so you can focus on your business. Now let's dig in to see how we can achieve this. First off, keep your customers informed. Motivated buyers rely on accurate business information to make purchasing decisions. Keep your customers up to date on any recent changes to your dealership. Update your online platforms to include important changes such as new store hours, temporary closings, and other adjustments to your policies or processes. It's especially important to stay on top of changes as we're experiencing so many changes already in our day-to-day lives. With that said, I want to share a couple ways you can keep your customers engaged during so much change. Many dealers ask me, how do I keep my customers engaged using my marketing tools? My answer is to map out a dynamic content strategy, as this is a crucial part of an effective marketing campaign, and avoid manually sending out new information to customers as that costs valuable time. Automated messaging allows you to engage with customers on a regular basis without spending too much time and allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business. Maintain consistent communication with customers by sending out regularly scheduled emails. Connect with your customers through marketing automation about new product offerings, specials you're offering, and current important store updates. Alongside updating your customer base, it's important to think of ways to enhance your digital content. As people spend more time online, they consume content at an increased rate. Dealers have an opportunity to engage with online leads more than ever by including dynamic content in email campaigns and newsletters. Keep your email and newsletter content relevant and engaging by including links to inventory, helpful articles, and blog posts. DIY info or do-it-yourself help articles and other information will keep users engaged and interacting with your dealership. I've seen a trend of dealers sending out newsletters about how to practice safe social distancing while still having fun. And many dealers are taking the opportunity to sell more parts and accessories to those shopping online from home. So taking what we've discussed thus far, how does a dealer optimize their digital marketing strategy? Review the top targeting aspects of your campaigns. Do they meet the needs of the audience that's receiving your content? For example, if you wanted to send a newsletter in regards to your parts department having a closeout sale, ideally you'd want to cater that to the customers that have expressed interest in your parts department, whether through a lead form or they've actively come to the department in person and left their email address, or perhaps they've purchased from you in the past. You probably wouldn't want to target customers who have never visited your parts page or expressed interest in your parts offerings. This wouldn't be the right ad for them. Targeting messages to your recipients help boost lead conversion. Featured units and brands to online leads have shown interest in a segment of your inventory and bring them back to the website through dynamic ads and reminders. Another example of this would be inviting your customer base that purchased the unit, we'll say a travel trailer, back to the dealership for annual maintenance and invite them to stop by the parts department during their stay in hopes of converting another sale. In fewer words, let's get what would be one-time only shoppers back to the dealership to become repeat customers. And in closing, I want to send a personal invitation to you all that aren't already taking advantage of our marketing automation services. We're here for you in these unprecedented times to help you drive more traffic to your website. To schedule a demo or just want to know more about DealerSpike's offerings, please call us at 800-288-5917. Thanks so much for listening all, and take care.